Get started with backtesting in MesoSim by setting up a simple butterfly trade. Then refine it step by step to optimize performance. Learn how to iterate, analyze results, and save strategies for future research. Let's create a new backtest with the Simple Run tool. This page allows you to create a simple test to get started. Fine-tuning and the complete set of functionalities are available via the job editor, which we'll explore later. Let's create a butterfly. The first leg is predefined. Let's add the second leg using 10 delta. We'll neutralize delta on the third leg. To better examine the Greek profile, switch to 3D mode. Now, run this backtest by hitting start and wait a couple of seconds for it to complete. The compound annual growth rate is 21.33%. The max drawdown is minus 11.48%, and the Sharpe ratio is 1.12. Improve your trades by iterating through cloning. Hit the clone button, go to the job editor, change one variable, and run. For example, increasing the delta on leg B to 13 improves the results. The compound annual growth rate is 67.65%. The max drawdown is minus 11.68%, and the Sharpe ratio is 1.76. For beginner users, we strongly recommend doing this one step at a time. This is crucial. Make only one modification and run it. With some practice, you'll be able to iterate through decades worth of backtests in a few minutes without manual effort. You can use ChatGPT in the job editor for helpful insights and support with your trades. Here is the research workflow in MesoSim. Start with a templated backtest, or create one using the Simple Run interface. Clone it, change a parameter in the job editor, run it, and analyze the results. Iterate through as many backtest clones as necessary. Once satisfied with the results, save your backtest as a template. Use this template to start a new research branch. You can export your run into OptionNet Explorer with more details available in a dedicated blog post. The same menu allows exporting nav results to a CSV and the events log to JSON for further post-processing. You can also save your run as a template or delete it. If you decide to share a backtest, you can post the link anywhere. Viewing a shared test doesn't require a MesoSim account. You can set default simulation settings in your MesoSim profile preferences. To change settings for a specific simulation, use the job editor. Fill model defines the price model for simulating the strategy, typically mid-price or near mid-price. Slippage, the difference between the expected and actual trade prices for each leg. Commission, needs to match your broker's criteria. Leg selection constraint, used in campaign mode. When the concurrency of the strategy is not null, this is beyond MesoSim basics. Margin model allows you to choose between different margin calculation methods. Trace collection interval defines how often risk graphs are collected. Stay with us as we move on to the next video showcasing the selection of research tools MesoSim offers.